Hey CNC Masters, welcome back to HBM where we unlock the real power inside your machine tools. You know that feeling like your CNC is capable of? Well, you're right. Today we're diving into the Fanuc Zero, M's hidden option parameters, secret keys to unlock dormant potential. We're talking features like CAN cycles, custom macros, and even 4-axis control, all hiding in plain sight. Whether you're a seasoned machinist or just starting out, get ready to take your Fanuc skills to the next level. Let's unleash these secret weapons together. Alright, let's start with parameter 900, all about efficiency. Bit 0 enables CAN cycles, perfect for drilling operations like peck drilling. Instead of writing separate lines of code for each depth, a single CAN cycle command handles the entire operation. It's like having a pre-programmed drilling routine built right into your controller. Next, Bit 1 unlocks G10 programmable offsets. Constantly changing tools or workpieces, G10 lets you program offsets directly into your code. Faster setups, less downtime, and more time making chips. Every minute saved on setup is a minute spent pushing your machine to the limit. Activating these features is just the first step. The real magic happens when you incorporate them into your workflow, experimenting and optimizing your processes. Dive in, play around, and see the difference these parameters can make in your shop. Let's move to parameter 901 because who doesn't love more memory? Bits 0 through 4 expand your program memory capacity, essential for handling large, complex programs. Then there's bit 5 chamfering and corner radius control. This transforms rough cuts into beautifully finished parts. Program smooth, consistent chamfers and radii directly into your tool paths. No more hand finishing or inconsistent results, just clean, precise edges every time. Accessing these parameters, it's all done through the control panel and easier than you think. In fact, I'll show you how in just a minute. But first, let's talk about parameter 902, a game changer. Now it's time to get serious with parameter 902, the gateway to custom macros. Macros are mini programs within your main program, automating repetitive tasks and creating unique cycles. Think looping, conditional statements, variables, the works. Imagine a complex part with multiple setups. Instead of repeating code, create macros for each operation. Call those macros in your main program like building blocks. This saves time, reduces errors, and makes your programs easier to read and modify. Unlocking the full potential of macros takes practice, but the payoff is worth it. Experiment, push boundaries, and discover just how powerful macros can be. Let's dive into parameter 910, packed with features. Bit 7 enables built-in threading capabilities for precise, consistent threads. Bits 1 and 2 unlock work offsets G54 through G59, crucial for multiple fixtures or production work. Save setup time and ensure accurate machining with quick coordinate system shifts. Bit 3 brings helical interpolation, perfect for molds, dies, or complex 3D surfaces. Your tool moves simultaneously along X, Y, and Z axes, creating smooth, flowing cuts. It's like giving your CNC superpowers for shapes that turn heads. Hold on to your hats. We're entering advanced CNC control with parameters 911, 912, and 913. Parameter 911 introduces G68 program rotation, simplifying angled features or symmetrical parts. Parameter 912 brings tool life management and polar coordinates. Track tool usage to minimize breakage and program tool paths using angles and distances. Finally, parameter 913 unlocks 4-axis control, opening up a world of machining possibilities. Complex parts become achievable, and productivity soars. Start with one parameter at a time. You don't have to master everything at once. Our final stop parameter 923, a hidden gem unlocking up to 48 work offsets. For complex fixtures, multi-part setups, or high-mix production, this is a game changer. Standard offsets limit your setups, but parameter 923 blows those limits wide open. Pre-program each setup, store its location, and recall it instantly. Eliminate manual alignment and ensure perfect accuracy every time. It's like having a team of machinists ready to switch setups with precision. So, there you have it, a glimpse into the hidden potential of your Fanuc Zero M control. We've only scratched the surface, but I hope this inspires you to explore these parameters. Knowledge is power. The more you understand your machine, the more you can achieve. Experiment, push boundaries, and unlock hidden capabilities. If this video helped, drop a like and subscribe for more CNC magic. This is HBM, making machinists smarter. Visit hbmcnc.ir for free tools, downloads, and tutorials. Thanks for watching.